Hi, good morning everyone. We'll continue the exercise 3.1, question number 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay children, here POQ is a line, OR is a ray perpendicular to PQ. Yes, this is the condition solved. Now we will start the answer. Therefore, angle POR equal to 90 degrees, angle QRO equal to 90 degrees. Angle POR equal to 90 degrees because of OR is perpendicular to PQ. That is they are given in condition, that's why. OR is perpendicular to PQ. See here, angle POR, here two angles are there. Angle POR, this is 90 degrees, but here two angles are there. So we need to write now angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle POS plus angle ROS. That is also same here. POR only 90 degrees. But now we are splitting these two angles because of they are given in middle. That's why. Angle POS plus ROS equal to 90 degrees. So ROS we need. So ROS we have to keep this side. Angle ROS equal to 90 minus angle POS. Here ROS is there. That's why you have to keep this side ROS and remaining term send that side. So 90 minus 90 degrees minus angle POS. This is equation 1. Now another that side we have to take, that is angle QOR equal to 90 degrees. QOR equal to 90 degrees. OR is perpendicular to PQ. This is also OR is perpendicular to PQ. See children here. Here also we have to split two angles, that is QOR equal to 90 degrees. Now QOS minus ROS we will take. Here QOS from QOS we have to do the subtraction ROS. So that time what we will get? This 90 degrees only we will get. That's why angle QRS instead of what we need to write here, angle QOS minus angle ROS equal to 90 degrees. Why writing this like means we need to solve the answer RHS, that purpose only. Already we got LHS, now we need to solve the RHS. Okay, next. Now ROS keep this side. ROS equal to, see children, 90 this side coming means minus 90. Angle QOS minus 90. Here what I did, plus 90 I am taking this side. This side means minus 90. Minus ROS this side I am taking. So this side I am taking means plus. Angle ROS equal to QOS minus 90 degrees. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Next. Adding 1 and 2. We should add 1 and 2. Why will add means RHS both are same only. See ROS. Now we should do add angle ROS, left hand side ROS is there. This both of, now we will add ROS, 2 ROS equal to, now right hand side we are adding. First of all, first equation 1 we will write. 90 minus, see children, 90 minus 90 degrees minus angle POS. Second equation what is there? Plus QOS minus 90 degrees. Plus 90 minus 90 cancel. 2 angle ROS equal to plus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees cancel. Equal to, first of all we need to write QOS first because plus sign is there, that's why QOS minus angle POS. Yes, finally we got this. Therefore angle ROS equal to 2 we need to send that side. That side send it means here multiplication doing, that side going means division. Angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 into angle POS minus angle POS. Yes, we got this answer. Hence we prove. Okay, continue the exercise. Next question. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. See the figure children, XYZ equal to 64 degrees and XY is a produced to point P. Here XY is a produced at a point P. Draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ. Here which one is ray? YQ is a ray. Bisect angle ZYP. Find the XYQ and reflects QYP. Okay, first of all we need to draw the diagram about the information. XYZ equal to 64 they are given. XY is a produced to point at point P. Like that we have to draw. Next we have to continue the solution. See the figure here. 3 angles are there. The 3 angles is, which 3 angles that one? Angle XYZ plus ZYQ plus QYP. We don't know this angle, that's why AA we are taking. Angle XYZ plus A equal to 180. Why 180 writing means this is a linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles means the sum of given angles equal to 180 degrees. Next. XYZ 64 degrees they are given in question plus A 2A equal to 180. 2A equal to plus 64 we need to send that side, means 180 minus 64. 2A equal to 180 minus 64 subtraction doing means 116 degrees. Therefore A equal to 2 we need to send that side, that is for multiplication, that side going means division. 116 divided by 2, do the division, it will get 58. degrees. So A means which angle that one? Both are 2 angles only, 58. So ZYQ equal to 64 plus 58. ZYQ. So see the figure, ZYQ only now we are writing, that's why one angle we should add here. 64 plus 58 equal to 122 degrees. 122 degrees. XYQ. Therefore reflex they are asking. Which one is reflex now? Remaining we are extended some line, Q line. So that is a reflex angle. So angle QYP equal to angle QYP equal to 360 minus 58. because this is a completed angle, that's why do the subtraction. 360 minus 58, the answer will be 302 degrees. Okay children, sixth one completed. Thank you.